Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this one, we're in Photoshop 2022. It just released, and this is an amazing update. And in particular, I want to show you the Neural Filter Landscape Mixer. This is not even a neural or AI thing. This is like voodoo. It can literally take any background landscape like this one, and with one click, turn it into a completely opposite landscape. Let me show you. Here's a nice bright summer springy day in the morning. We turned it into a winter landscape with one click. This is the same picture. This is incredible what they've done. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, the first step, if you're following along, put any old landscape image into Photoshop and open it up. The next step, you want to go up top to Filter, and then you want to select Neural Filters. For me, it's right here. Left click on Neural Filters, and presto, the Neural Filters will open up. It takes a second because there's probably quite a few of them. There is. All right, the one we're looking for is Landscape. It says Landscape, but if you hover over it or if you make it a little wider, it's actually the Landscape Mixer. And what you need to do is you need to turn it on. Now, I'm going to tell you the first time you click on it, it won't turn on because you're going to need to download. It's like 200 megabytes, so it's not a small filter. Left click on it when it's done downloading and turn the filter on. Now, this is the amazing thing. Now, it is very CPU intensive, very resource intensive, so I don't want to go through all of the different settings. Like, you can go ahead and play with them. But what you want to do is you want to take this winter. If we take this winter from 0 and we jack it up to, let's say, 92, I'll tell you what's going to happen. That image that we saw at the beginning is exactly what happens. It goes from this summer day to a winter day, just like that. When I say just like that, it takes like a minute or two because it's very, very resource intensive. So I'm going to cancel out of it, but I'm going to ask you to take my word that this picture turned into this picture. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Also, you guys will also notice that while I'm in there, if you go to Neural Filters, Landscape Mixer, you can go ahead and play with some presets as well. Now, again, these are very, very resource intensive, so messing around with these things does take time. But if you don't want, like if this is a sun, this is the sun's out, like, so this is nice sunrise, turn it into a sunset. We've got a nice color here, but maybe you like this look for a nice, I don't know, let's go with a nice purple background like that. You can left click on that, it's going to process it, and then you can dial in the strength. So I'm just going to let this process. In the next few seconds, I'll come back and I'll show you what it comes up with. All right, welcome back. As you can see here, this is an incredible change. This is the original image right here, and this is the change. Now, do keep in mind that this is at a strength of 100. So if this is a little over the top, like maybe it's a bit too bright here in the grass at the bottom, you can just dial the effect back. But unbelievable. Landscape Mixer is new in Photoshop 2022. Got a lot more tutorials coming up. Stay tuned. Be back soon.